Let's see how you can run a specific model in Ollama. First, open your terminal or command prompt if you are on Windows and just enter this command Ollama. And here you'll see an interactive menu that says run a model, launch Cloud Core, launch Codex, launch OpenClaw, and some more options. Just choose run a model using your arrow keys and hit enter. Now it will give you recommended list of models like GLM, Quen, Kimi, and so on. Here the models that has cloud at the end are run in Ollama Cloud, and you'll need an API key for that. And the ones that don't have cloud will be downloaded locally. And here not downloaded means that these models are not downloaded yet. Okay, so I've not downloaded any one of the recommended models, neither the local ones or the cloud ones. And here in more, you will see all the other models that you have pulled from Ollama. So I've just pulled Tiny Llama, and it was for a tutorial purpose. So these are the recommended models, and in more you have some models that you have already pulled. But there are a lot of other models that you can run with Ollama. Okay, so if you want to run just Quen, GLM, or these models, you can just hit enter here and these will be pulled and run. But if you want any other models that are not listed here, you can browse to this URL ollama.com/search, where you will see all the models that are supported in Ollama. Okay, now some models also have different parameter versions. For example, this Quen 3VL has 2 billion parameters, 4 billion, 8 billion, and all these billion parameter models. So let's say if you want to pull Quen 3.5, 0.8b. Okay, what you can do is you can just enter this command Ollama run and enter Quen 3.5. Now we have a lot of different parameter versions, right? If you just do this Ollama run 3.5 and hit enter, what will happen is it will pull the latest version. So if you want to check which version will be pulled, just click on Quen 3.5 and here scroll down, you will see this latest written here. Okay, just click on it and here you will see that this model has 9.65 billion parameters, and this is the one that will be downloaded if you just type Quen 3.5. If you want a specific parameter version, let's say 0.8b, what you need to do is just run this command with colon 0.8b at the end. Now hit enter and Quen 3.5 0.8 billion parameter version will be downloaded. Okay, now after downloading it will automatically run, but if you just want to pull for now and you want to run it later, you can just replace the run with pull, and this will just download the model and keep it saved for you. Now note that run will also save the model, so even if you do run, it will directly run, but you can also run it later. Okay, so this is how you can pull any model from Ollama. Just browse to Ollama/library or Ollama/search, then it will list you all the models. Here select the model and select a parameter version and just enter Ollama run your model version or Ollama pull and then your model version. So this is how you can run any model in Ollama. And yeah, quick note, after running this, if you can just do Ollama pull, sorry, not pull, just Ollama, and click on run a model, here all the models that you have pulled will be listed here. So if you are confused by the name, you can just type Ollama and then click on run a model and choose the models that you have already downloaded. So this is how you can run any model using Ollama. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.